they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Full throttle, heavy metal, set the bar, next level. Wasteland, getting all janky, so glow. Chainsaw. Let it go with them elbows back. It's smoking just like this track. Shirt is over from all this sweat. Catch my breath. Chainsaw. Now hear me roar. I'm an ape, max predator. From the sycamores, let's get Skeletor. Chainsaw. Chainsaw. Watch it learn, watch it learn. Get that thing cranking, yeah, slash, slash, burn. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, crank it, back, back. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, back, crank it, back, back. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a, crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chainsaw, chainsaw. Fresh flannel shirt, country bumpkin, lumberjack your moves, aka Paul Bunyan. Run, yan, 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 yan. I make it right, I make it right, I make it run, run. Chainsaw. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it down low, low. Chop it, chop, chop it, chop. Here we go, go. Teeth so sharp that they're calling me Jaws. I'm your boss, baby, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, crank it, back, back. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, back, crank it, back, back. Came down, headhunter, headhunter. Chopper punk, yeah, I'm a blade runner, blade runner. Turned up, automatic, automatic. Full tank, you ain't gotta think about it. Chainsaw.
Chainsaw, yank it, crank it, swing it, then you put it inside whatever you ride. Turn it all the way up and then you bang it. Top the block, no kitsu, wilderness, but I'm chivalrous. From Texas, but no massacre, unless it's a beat, we killing it. Chopping time trees, N2C, watch some things fall. Bows to my knees, that mean I crank it like a chainsaw. Do it to these trees, I'll see these flames, y'all. Burn them up to burn them down, now let me see you. Chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, crank it, back, back. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, back, crank it, back, back. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a, crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chainsaw, chainsaw. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chain, crank it like a, crank it like a chain, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it like a chainsaw, chainsaw.
Dream I was giving up. I had a hole in my side. A shallow grave would be just enough to bury me in my pride. I'm down, but I'm not out. I'm down, don't count me out. Waste this day. I ain't got nothing to lose now. recognize my own face. I'd burn it all and just walk away for a moment of grace. I'm down, but I'm not out. I'm down, don't count me out. No, I'm down, but I'm not out. I'm down, don't count me out. You can't count me out. I had a dream I was giving up. I had a hole in my side. A shallow grave would be just enough to bury me in my pride.
Get a little bit loose though and just swing it around a bit and lean back. See this guy?
Oh, yo.
He's mean as lilies. This one? Doesn't know how to ride a track. And then you don't do that in a race. Some mean donuts. And this guy's a winner. Copy it. Doing railing bird. Hit the jump. Oh, 360. Then you just do a jump. And then you, I don't know, change down gears in the air and then do a bit of throttle. And then, okay, that's it.
Yeah, so what we have here is a bit of a boom setup here we're trying to simulate. And we've got the rider on the old 1984 Suzuki RM, whatever, I didn't even know.
Kick it in the gut, dude. Go, give me a kick, mate. You're gonna kick the bike. What are you gonna do, mate? Well, give us a technique rundown. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
You want to come to the corner, try and carry as much momentum as you can around the corner, try and fly it down, nice and low. Don't do that, that's never a good Pull the clutch in. Oh, it's stalled now, you've got to kick it over again.
Is that you do it right now, eh, mate? Good thing for knee brace.
You've been kicked.
Give him another kick, mate.
Yeah, so you want to come to the corner nice and wide, set up so you've got plenty of time to turn down if you need to. Try and lay it down as low as you can, put your foot out, keep it up by the front wheel, and just try to get on the gas side as you can out of the corner there, mate.
First thing you've got to do before you go out to the track, you've got to make sure you've got fuel in your motorbike. That's what happens when you don't use a funnel. That's what happens when you use a funnel.
I realise that